Hello friends, my name is Ronald. Today I welcome you to my channel Stanleyka Kitchen. Today I'll be making Schezwan sauce for my viewers. So without further ado, let's go to our kitchen and make the recipe happening. Now I'm in my kitchen and I'll show you the ingredients that I'll use in making Schezwan sauce. This is 100 gram dry red chili that I've taken. For you, I have already soaked my dried chili in 1 glass of water. It is already soaked and I kept it for around 30 minutes or so. Now moving on to the next ingredient. This is my ginger. Ginger is around, ginger you can see it's finely chopped and it's 2 to 3 tablespoons. Then we have garlic. That's 2 to 3 tablespoons. Then tomato ketchup. That's 3 teaspoons. I've got white vinegar. That's 3 teaspoons. Then I've got soya sauce. Soya sauce I've used 3 teaspoons. And salt as per your taste. I'm using 2 teaspoons here. And I forgot for cooking oil. I'm using around 6 to 7 tablespoons. So guys, now I'll start my recipe. I'll start preparing. So stay tuned. After half an hour, we will see that our dry chili are fully fluffed, as you can see. Then our next step is I'll throw the water. Okay guys, forgot to mention you that I have taken the seeds out of this red chili. So similarly for you also, you guys can also take out the seeds from the red chili and then soak this red chili in the bowl and add glass of water. Alright. So now guys, as you can see, there is leftover water which I will discard. The next step is I'll put the soaked red chili in the grinding jar. And I'll add half cup of water. And I'll grind it for a few seconds. Now after a few seconds, I'll open the jar and check the paste if is ready or not. I think I need to add little water in it. So guys, I think my paste is almost ready. So we'll move on to the next process. I'll turn on the gas stove and heat my pan. Now guys, I am going to switch on the gas stove. Now my pan is almost heated. So what I'll do is I'll add oil. This is again going to give a little burst. And then I'll add my ginger garlic. There goes my ginger. Add my garlic as well. We'll fry it for a minute on a medium flame. We'll give it a good stir. We'll stir the ginger and garlic for at least 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. Make sure you don't burn it. Now we'll reduce the flame to low. I think it's going to be brown now. So what I'll do is I'll add my raw chili paste. And then we'll give it a stir. We'll stir it for a few seconds and then we'll cover the pan and cook it for 5 to 7 minutes on low flame. Now after 5 to 7 minutes, we'll open the lid. After 5 to 7 minutes, we have checked that the oil has been separated from the paste. We'll add water around 1 cup to the paste. We'll add water around 1 cup. because the oil was separated from the paste. And we'll give it a good stir. The consistency should be smooth. Now after a few minutes or so, I'll add some soya sauce in it, tomato ketchup. You can even add sugar if you want. I'll add tomato ketchup as well. The paste is still there in the bowl. And my vinegar. Yeah. And salt as per your taste. Lastly, we'll add the salt. And then we'll mix it well with the paste. Again, we will cover the pan and cook it for 15 to 20 minutes on low flame. You can see the lid is covered now. So guys, now it's going to be 15 to 20 minutes already. We will take off the lid and mix it again with our spatula. You will see the layer of the oil on top of the paste. It means the sauce is almost ready. We'll turn off the flame, allow it to cool completely, and after 1 hour the sauce is ready. What we will do is we will transfer the sauce into any jar, bowl or any tight container. So guys, our Schezwan sauce is almost ready. You can serve it now with any of your favorite recipe. Friends, my Schezwan sauce is ready now, and you can enjoy this Schezwan sauce with any of your recipe, be it be Schezwan noodles, fried rice or any of your favorite dish. Guys, I am sure that you like my video, and if you still want to search more videos of mine, then do subscribe to my channel. You can even share my videos with your family or friends, and please subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. And during this lockdown, I would request every one of you to stay at home with your family and loved ones and enjoy my videos.